Good work. Now let's get out of here.
Come back, Woody! Oh, hurry there, Mickey. The giant's coming.
We have to say the magic words super fast. What are the right magic words? Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Say them again, only faster. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Bye-bye.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Clark, Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, Washington, Oregon, at 10:18 a.m. on November 5th, 2018, effective until 12:18 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system through broadcast stations in the Greater Portland/Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington, with the cooperation of public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators. This system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency in Vancouver, Washington. This concludes this test message.
Gee, thanks for helping us get away from the giant.
Ooh, looky here. Easter eggs and jelly beans.
Aw, those are for the Easter party. You got your invitation, didn't you, Pete?
Oh, I sure did, Mickey. I thought you forgot about me, but you didn't, 'cause you're my pal.
You betcha, pal.
You know, I'm glad you're leader of the clubhouse, Mickey. It's too much work for me.
Oh, look, we're almost home.